AppSec online system, AppSec online support program OSP level HSC1 or HSC2, class HSC1, Army Public School and College System Secretariat. AppSec online support program OSP, textbook mathematics 11 algebra and trigonometry, page numbers 139 to 141, 142 and 143. Unit chapter number 4, lesson topic quadratic equation, resources required, textbook, internet. Introduction to summary of the lesson, equation reducible to quadratic equations. Now students, quadratic equation reducible to quadratic form. It means sometime we come across to the equation of a type which do not look to be quadratic, but they can be used to be quadratic form. There are such given types. So first we discuss type number 1. So which when given equation of the form in this form, ax to the power ax raised to the power 2n plus bx raised to the power n plus c equals to 0, or we can write it as ax raised to the power n whole square 2 and plus bx raised to the power n plus c equals to 0. So we put x raised to the power n equals to y. So following question are of type 1. So students, firstly we discuss the question which is based on type 1. So here we start with the question number 1. So question number 1 is x square minus 6x square plus 8 equals to 0. Basically student, it is a quadratic equation, but the highest power of highest power of x equals to 4. So we apply the method of type 1. So we suppose here x square raised to the power 2. It means to do the 4, it means same thing. So x square the whole power 2 and minus 6 square remains same, plus 8 or plus 8 also remains same, equals to 0. And now student, we can suppose that x square equals to y and substitute in the above equation, then it become we put y in the replacement of x square, so it become y square, and the next term become minus 6y and plus 8. Now so you can know that it is a simple equation, and how to factorize it. Simple, 8 into y 8y square, and split 8 into in this form minus 2 into minus 4 minus 2y into minus 4y. So here we split into this form and factorize it, y taking y as the common, then remaining y minus 2 left, and similarly minus 4 as the common, then y minus 2 left. So the bracket y minus 4 and the bracket y minus 2 and y minus 2 are same, so write it time once time. So y minus 2 into y minus 4 equals to 0, and then after simplification we will get y equals to 2 and y equals to 4. Now student, we put y equals to 2 in this equation, x square equals to 4 and y equals to 4 in this equation. So if we put y equals to 2, then x square equals to 2 mean x equals to plus minus square root 2, and similarly put 4, then x equals to plus minus square root 4, and the root 4 equals to 2. So the solution set of this equation is square root plus minus 2 and plus minus 2, square root 2 and plus minus 2. And similarly student, you can solve this question, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now student, the question number 2, it is also the type 1. So x raised to the power minus 2 minus 10 equals to 3x raised to the power minus 1. So first we shifted 3x raised to the power minus 1 onto the right hand side, then it become in negative form, and minus 10 equals to 0. So in the next step we take x raised to the power minus 1 and the whole square, and minus 3x raised to the power minus 1 and minus 10 equals to 0. Student, because here we know that 3 into x raised to the power minus 1, so that's why here we take x raised to the power minus 1 whole square, taking 2 as a common outside of the bracket in power. So student, put x raised to the power minus 1 equals to y, then after substituting this y equals to x minus 1, we will get y square minus 3y minus 10, and after factorize this 10 into y minus 10y square, so we split minus 10y square into 2y into minus 5y. Then here we substitute, then here we factorize this equation in this form, and then after simplification, taking common and simplification, we will get y equals to 5 and y equals to minus 2. So first we put y equals to 5 in here, x raised to the power minus 1 equals to y. So here first we put y equals to 5 and then we put y equals to -2, and then simplify equation x is to the power -1 means 1 upon x. Then we shifted x into the denominator, and we simplify this equation, then x comes here and 5 come in denominator, so x equals to 1/5, and similarly in the same way x equals to -1/2. So the solution set equals to 1/5 into 1 minus 1/2. Now student, question number 4, at 8x raised to the power 6 minus 19x cube minus 27 equals to 0. So here as a student, you can see that the next term is x raised to the power cube. So we split x raised to the power 6 into the form of x cube. So here we take x cube inside the bracket and taking power 2 as a common. Now substitute y equals to x cube, then substitute in the above equation, then it becomes 8y square minus 19y minus 27. Now student, factorize this equation, then factorizing this equation we will get this term. So then simplify more, then we will get this step, and after simplification you will get y equals to -1 and y equals to 27/8. So if we put y equals to -1 in this equation, x equals to y, so here we write x equals to -1 and the second value is 27/8, so we write x equals to x cube equals to 27/8. Now student, simplify this equation, it is -1 from, if we shift it toward the next end, then it become x cube plus 1. Now student, x cube plus 1 ka cube equals to, now student, it is here we apply the formula of a cube plus b cube. Now same procedure we can apply here. 27 shifted toward here, and 27 is the cube of 3, 3 ka cube equals to 27. Now student, here we both side we apply the formula of a cube plus b cube, and here we apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. The formula of a cube plus b cube is this: a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and the formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now student, we can simplify it. Now student, here we open the formula of a cube plus b cube, then it is x plus 1 and x square minus x plus 1, and similarly simplifying x plus 1 equals to 2, then x equals to -1, and the second is, it is a quadratic equation, so we simplify it by quadratic formula, and the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and here we substitute the values. So here b equals to -1, a equals to 1, and c equals to 1. So here we put the values, and after simplification you will get this value, student. And similarly here also, if we apply the formula of a cube minus b cube, then we open in this form 2x minus 3 and 4x square plus 6x plus 9, and from first to 2x equals to -3, then x equals to 3/2, and second equation is quadratic, so we have solved it by quadratic formula, and you will get this answer. So the solution set is -1 3/2 and 1 plus minus square root -3/2 and -1, taking 3 as a common, -1 plus minus square root -3/4. So this is the solution set of this equation. Now student, we discussed the type 2. Type 2, when given equation is of the form this: x plus a into x plus b dot x plus c into x plus d equals to k. So the trick or main hint, you can say that where a plus c equals to b plus d, a and c are these terms, a and c are these terms, and b and d are these terms. So you can see checking by a plus c equals to b plus c d. So first you have to check this: a plus c equals to b plus d, then you can simplify the further equation or further question. Then we arrange the given equation as x plus a into x plus c. If this condition fulfilled, then x plus a into x plus c, then x plus b into x plus d equals to k. In this way first two terms become same if we put the y and solve further. So question of such types are, these questions are of type 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So first we start with the question number 6. X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 into x plus 4 equals to 24. Now student, same thing, a plus c equals to b plus d. So student, first we arrange a equals to 1 and c equals to 3. So 3 plus 1 equals to 4, and b equals to 2 and d equals to 4. So 4 plus 2 equals to 6. So student, you can see that 4 is not equals to 6. So we arrange in different manner. So 1 plus 4 equals to 5, so and 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So we arrange in this form. So we write x plus 1 into x plus 4 and x plus 2 into x plus 3. Now you can again check that 1 plus 4 equals to 5 and 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So that's why we arrange in this form, and this equals to 24, and we simplify, we multiply this bracket, we will get this term, and we will multiply this bracket, we will get this term. And similarly student, you can see that the first two term of the both brackets are same. So here we suppose the term x square plus 5x equals to y, so it become y plus 4 and y plus 6. Now multiplying these two brackets, so you will get this quadratic equation, and after simplification you will get y equals to 0 and y equals to minus 10. Then you can put the value of y at here in this equation, x square plus 5x equals to y. So first you put y equals to 0 and then y equals to minus 10, as we did here. Y equals to 0, then here we write y equals to 0, and if y equals to 10, then here we write y equals to minus 10. Now students, simplify this, taking x as a common and then remaining x plus left. So x equals to 0 and x equals to minus 5 are the root of this equation, and this is a quadratic equation. So we apply the quadratic formula, and if we put the values, so here a equals to 1, b equals to 5 and c equals to 10, here we put the values and we will get these two values of x. So the solution set is 0, minus 5 and minus 5 plus minus square root minus 15 upon 2. Now student, question number 12 of type 2. But student, here you can see that x square plus 6x plus 8 and x square plus 14x plus 48. So student, this is also the quadratic equation, this is also the quadratic equation. We factorize in this form 2 into 2x plus 4x form, we split 6 into 2x plus 4x, and here we split 14x into 6x plus 8x. So student, then we factorize this term, and then we will get x plus 2 plus x plus 4, and after factorization and simplification we will get x plus 6 and x plus 8. Now student, you can apply a same procedure. A plus c equals to b plus d, or a plus d equals to b plus c. So student, here we have the terms 2, 4, 6, 8. So we arrange these terms. So 2 plus 4 equals to 6 and 6 plus 8 14. So though these are not equals. So 2 into 8 10 and 6 into 4 10. So these terms are same. So here that's why we arrange x plus 2 into x plus 8 and x plus 4 into x plus 6 equals to 105. And now multiply these two equations, then it become a quadratic, and simply multiply these equations, then it also become a quadratic. So both equations are quadratic, the first two terms of the both equations are same. Then we suppose x square plus 10x equals to y in the same way, and we will get y plus 16 and y plus 24. Then multiply these two brackets and simplify this equation, then it becomes quadratic equation. Now you can, it's up to you, you can direct apply quadratic, or you can take factorize this equation. After factorizing this equation, you will get the values of y equals to minus 9 and y equals to minus 31. So you can shift it, put these values in this equation, x square plus 10x equals to y. So here we put both the values of y. So here we put both the values of y, minus 9 and 31. Then it become, both equation become quadratic, and simplified by it become quadratic equation, and we can get this value x equals to minus 1 and x equals to minus 9. And student, in the same way, this is the quadratic equation, and you can simplify it, and you will get these roots. So here are the both roots of this equation. So the solution set of these equations are minus 1, minus 9 and minus 5 plus minus square root minus 6. So if we replace minus, then we substitute iota, because iota equals to square root minus 1. Similarly student, you can solve question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. If you face any problem or face any query, then you can feel free to ask. Thank you. Student, in this lecture we discuss the type 1 and type 2, and some questions of type 1 and type 2, and some of our your homework. So you can do it yourself. If you face any problem, or feel free to ask me on my WhatsApp group, or on during class timing, or some other time. Thank you student for your attention.